What's going on, family? Sir here, and I want to share with you a community that's just outside of Charlotte where you can get a 4-bedroom home for under $360,000. Now, the last time I showed you this community, which was over a year ago, the amenities were not put into place. So if you like larger lots, but do not want to be in the city, come with me and let me share this with you. Now we're at the Nolen Farms community, located in Gastonia, North Carolina. Now Gastonia is just west of Charlotte and Mecklenburg County. And you can get a lot more bang for your buck. Look at the size of these lots. You're not gonna find lots this size in Charlotte in the $300,000 or $400,000 price point. Now, last year, when I showed you this community, this was not here. The amenity center, ripe with a pool, pickleball, and a basketball court, did not exist. Very rarely are you going to find new construction in the Charlotte area at this price point with this amount of amenities. You may have established communities in the Charlotte area with this amount of amenities, but the price point is going to be significantly higher. So I saw a basketball court. Those of you that know me know I love basketball and I carry a ball in the car. So I could not pass this opportunity up. Got a few shots up. Stick around to the end to watch me shoot around some more. But let's go inside and take a look at the motto for this community. And remember, you can get 4-bedroom homes presently. I'm filming this middle of January 2023, starting under $360,000. And presently you have some other 3-bedroom homes that you can get for under $340,000. And if you wanted to go massive and get a 5-bedroom home, you can get some in this community, Nolen Farms by DR Horton, the DR Horton section, for under $430,000. Now we're in the Charleston model. We came in, you saw the dining area, the living area, look at the kitchen. These are all standard. Larger cabinets, granite countertops, very neutral, but in style colors. So downstairs you had the dining area when you first came in. We're about to look at it right now. It is a 2-car garage, but you also have a full bathroom and a bedroom in this Charleston floor plan as well. Let's take a look at the full bathroom. So if you have guests, they don't have to worry about going upstairs. They have this bathroom down here. And this is the sales team. You got Catherine right in the middle at the desk. Amazing, amazing saleswoman working at DR Horton. I need to get her on the channel. But that was the guest bedroom downstairs. You can obviously use it as an office. Now let's head upstairs. Now, if you're interested in this community, please contact me. Let's get you an appointment. Let them know I sent you. Let them know you're working with me and my team so you can have representation. It doesn't cost you anything. This is bedroom number 2. These large bedroom sizes are not possible right now in Charlotte or in Mecklenburg County at this price point. So we left bedroom 2, going into bedroom 3. Now heading to bedroom number 4. Again, this is the Charleston floor plan. You're just not gonna get this size of a home. I can't reiterate it enough because it's such a value. Now granted, you are 20 to 25 minutes outside the city center, so you're gonna have to drive. This is the laundry room. But I believe the value proposition is here because look at this owner suite. Vaulted ceiling, absolutely stunning and extra large. Now, if you wanted something for $300,000 in Charlotte, in uptown Charlotte, the whole apartment would be this size right here of your owner suite. Now let's go into the owner suite bathroom. Our number is on the screen. Contact information is in the description as well. We look forward to hearing from you. Again, if this community doesn't work for you, please reach out to us and let us have the opportunity to work with you and find a home that suits you and your family needs. But I had to bring this to you because the amenity center is done. It had a basketball court. I don't know if you have kids or loved ones that love basketball as much as I do. You just can't find that in most Charlotte communities right now at the present time. I'm Sir Ashley. Talk to you soon.